Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, then click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free version of Magic Fluids and open it. Following that, click on those three dots at the bottom right corner, select Settings and choose I accept in this pop-up. Over here you need to adjust your wallpaper however you wish to, and when you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply to Home and Lock Screen, and simply go back. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comments, and definitely subscribe. Bye!